Oh yeah, look at them. Going out there, wacka wacka. That's the museum there, right on the waterfront. Really nice place to sit. And the waterfront's just... Look at there. Hey, we're sitting on a beach in Wellington at the moment.
It's Oriental Bay, is the name of the beach.
We got the ferry from the South Island to the North Island yesterday, and that in itself was great. Just the scenery going past for the Marlborough Sounds, that was really enjoyable. We've been walking around the museum, the Tapapa Museum. Absolutely brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah, over 4 hours we were in there, and I'm not a museum person. It was unbelievable. It's really, really good.
Yeah, so... And your ticket, when you buy it, lasts for 48 hours, so you can go back tomorrow, do another bit if you missed a bit. So that was great. But a little bit further along, yeah, we found this Oriental Bay, and we're just sitting here enjoying the sunshine and taking in the scenery for a little while. According to the sign, they sailed this from Scotland with the crane on, like that, attached, which is amazing. It's 6 p.m. down here, and it seems like everybody's either paddling, jogging, or riding their bikes down here. This is the prettiest bridge I think I've ever seen. Amazing. Look, there's the sea that way. And then the city is that way. And we're going over the road. enjoyed walking along the waterfront. We had a glass or two of wine at the yacht club. Now we're heading into the city to get something to eat, hopefully. Wellington Central Library. Philosophy, religion, sociology, science, literature, useful arts, commerce, fine arts, history. It is all here. That is the library. Wow. Okay, a few streets away and here we are. You can eat, shop and drink.